You're welcome to the Nati Guide. In today's video, we'll be talking about icons. Icons are small images representing something, and the number one website that gives you access to free icons library is called Atlas Icon. This is how the platform looks like. You can search for icons using the search button over here. You can search for anything at all, and then you would get the available icons and you can download and use them for whatever purpose you intend using them for. You can also increase and decrease the icons using this button over here. So if I should increase the size, I can see that it gets bigger, and if I decrease, it gets smaller. You can also increase the stroke. You just have to click on this and drag it. You can drag and bring it back, drag. So you can see that as I'm doing that, there are some changes being affected to the icons. Okay. You can also change the colors of the icons in case you want something less red. You can play with the colors, and then at the end of the day, you can download the icon that you want to use and you are good to go. When you take a look at the category section over here, there are different categories for icons. We have basic UI, business, finance, Christmas, cinema, communication, construction, content box, and many others. In case whatever you are looking for is not in the category section, you can always use the search button. This is all about icons. Don't forget to share your thought, like this video, and share as well.